So, huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe. Maraming salamat po. Hello, I'm Tutor Sonny, and today we are going to solve the Windmill Cube. This is a 3x3x3 shape mode. The core mechanism is the same as the regular 3x3x3 Rubik's Cube. The cube has 6 sides. Each side has a centerpiece with 4 edge pieces and 4 corner pieces. Okay, the same goes for this one. Okay, it has also 6 sides. Okay, each side has one centerpiece with 4 edge pieces and 4 corner pieces. That's one centerpiece with 4 edge pieces and 4 corner pieces. That's 2. One centerpiece with 4 edge pieces and 4 corner pieces. That's 3. One centerpiece with 4 edge pieces and 4 corner pieces. Okay, that's 4. One centerpiece with 4 edge pieces and 4 corner pieces. That's 5. One centerpiece with 4 edge pieces and 4 corner pieces. That's 6. Okay, now we are going to jumble it and solve it just like a regular 3x3x3 Rubik's Cube. Now we can solve it. But before we solve it, I would just like to point out that the color scheme of this Windmill Cube is the same as the regular 3x3x3 Rubik's Cube, where the yellow is on top and on the bottom side is white, in front is blue, on the back side is green, on the right side is red, and on the left side is orange. So that is the color scheme. Okay, so we will follow that color scheme to solve this cube. Okay, so we will start with the white side. Okay, so we need white edge piece like this one. Okay, just bring it up. Okay, now we need another one. So this is green. So if we are going to hold it like this, okay, the right on top is yellow, on the bottom is white. See, so on the right side, okay, on the right side should be red. So this is the red centerpiece, so we need to rotate this. See, okay, now we can hold it like this. Okay, so now these centerpieces are going to be our reference for the color scheme. Okay, so now we need the white and blue. Okay, so white and blue. Okay, this one. Okay, so bring this up, then bring this up also again, then return this so we won't mess this up. Okay, it's done. Now we need the orange, white and orange. Okay, orange, this one. So rotate this counterclockwise, bring this up, bring this back so we won't mess this up. It's done. Next we need green, so white and green, this one. So bring it here, rotate this counterclockwise, bring this up, bring this back up so we won't mess this up. It's done. Okay, now the colors of the edge pieces with the center pieces are now matched, but we need to make it flash. Okay, so bring the middle layer up, rotate this, bring this down up to here, then rotate this. Okay, then bring this back up. It is now flash. Now we can bring back the edge pieces, these two. Okay, next we will make this flash. Bring the middle layer up, rotate this, bring this down up to here, then rotate it, bring this back up. Now it is flash. Now we will bring back the two edge pieces, these two. We will make this flash, bring the center up, rotate this, bring it down up to here, then rotate this again counterclockwise, bring this back up. It is now flash. Then we will bring back the two edge pieces. Okay, now make this flash, bring this center or middle layer up, bring this down, rotate this clockwise, bring this up, then we can bring back the two edge pieces. Okay, it's done. Now this we have a white cross. Okay, so we will do the 4 corners. Okay, so we need the corner piece. This is green, so green and white. We will take it to the green side. Okay, this. Now let's check. Okay, so just bring it down Set this aside. Bring this back up. Bring this back up also. It's done. Next, we need, okay, another one. We have red. Okay. So, okay, the red side is here. But we need to rotate it first. Okay, now we can put it. Okay. We can put it here. Okay, now we can bring this down. Okay, set this aside. Bring this back up. Bring this back up also. It's done. Now, okay. So, orange, we need to place it here. This one, blue, we need to place it here. So, bring this up first, then rotate it, bring this down. Then we will place this orange piece here. So, this will automatically extracted out. Okay. So, okay. Bring the orange here, then set this aside. Bring this up, bring this back up. Okay, now the blue is extracted out. So now we can place it here. Set this aside, bring this back up, bring this back up also. Okay, so the first layer is done. Now we will do the edge pieces of the second layer. So this is fixed, this is also fixed. So this red should be placed here. Okay, we must take, okay, you see, it is not flush, so we need to place it on the other side. Okay, see? Okay, so we will place this edge piece here. So do this algorithm: U, R, U prime, R prime, U prime, F prime, U, and then F. Okay, now this is the edge piece itself, but it is not properly oriented, so we need to take it out first. Okay, we need to replace. We'll use this. Okay, so as you can see, this is the edge piece of the top layer. It should be lying flat like this. Okay, so we need to make this flat. Okay, to do that, we can exchange these two. At the same time, when we are going to bring this back here, we will correct its orientation. Okay, so let's do that. Okay. Okay, let's put it here. Okay, and do this algorithm: U prime, L prime, U, L, U prime, then F, then U prime, F prime. Okay, now we will bring it back and take this out also, and at the same time make it flat. And this one we will correct the orientation. Okay, okay, so we will place it here, not here, because if we place this edge piece here, then it's not going to flush. Okay, so we need to place it here. Okay, so we will place this edge piece here on the left side, and at the same time extract this out and correct the orientation. We will make it flat like this. Okay, so and this one also we will correct the orientation. Okay, so do this algorithm: U prime, L prime, U, L, U, F, U prime, F prime. Okay, now, okay, so the second layer is fixed. Okay, now we will do the third layer. We need to make these two edge pieces that are in upright position, so we need to make them lying flat. Okay, to do that, hold it like this. This edge piece will move here without any rotation. This one will be rotated, okay, and make it flat. It will move here, and this one also will move here, and it will also correct the orientation. It will make it flat also. So hold it like this and do this algorithm: F, U, R, U prime, R prime, F prime. Okay. Okay, so this is correct. This is also correct. So we need to swap these two. Okay, to do that, we need to... Okay, we need to swap these two first. So the two edge pieces that need to be swapped will be placed on the lower left. This is the top view, this is the front view. R, U, R prime, U, R, U, 2, R prime. Okay, next, we need to swap. Okay, so we will swap these two. Okay, so the two edge pieces that need to be swapped must be placed on the lower left. Okay, hold it like this and do this algorithm. R, U, R prime, U, R, U, 2, R prime. Okay, just turn this. Okay, these two are now correct. Now we need to swap these two. Okay, so these two edge pieces that need to be swapped must be placed on the lower left. Okay, this is the top view, this is the front view. Okay, so do this algorithm. R, U, R prime, U, R, U, 2, R prime. Okay, this is correct, 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 and correct. Okay, now the edge pieces are properly permutated and it is well oriented also. We will fix the four corner pieces. Okay, we have one that is in its right place. Okay, these three corner pieces need to be rotated to their proper places. The orange must be placed here, the blue must be placed here, the red must be placed here. So hold it like this. We need to rotate these three. Okay, the three corner pieces. So hold it like this. This is a top view, this is a front view, and do this algorithm. U, R, U prime, L prime, U, R prime, U prime, L. Okay, now we need to orient it. So this needs to be orient properly, this one also. So hold it like this. Okay, this is the top view, this is the front view. Hold it like this. We will do it here on the right side. Do this algorithm as long as it is needed. R prime, D prime, R, D, R prime, D prime, R, D. Don't worry about the mess here. We will fix it later. Okay, so bring this corner piece to be oriented on this side. Okay, we will do it here. So do the algorithm as long as it is needed. R prime, D prime, R, D, R prime, D prime, R, D, R prime, D prime, R, D, R prime, D prime, R, D. Okay, see? It's fixed automatically. When we have oriented the corner pieces properly, it will automatically be fixed also. Okay, so the yellow side is okay, white okay, blue, red, green, and orange. Okay, it's done. So, huwag kalimutang
mag-subscribe. Maraming salamat po.